Namaskar. Welcome to weekly weather discussion of India Meteorological Department. I am Dr. Anand Kumar Das, a senior scientist in National Weather Forecasting Center. Today, the 19th October, we will discuss about the highlight points of the weather, what happened during past week, and as well as we will discuss about the upcoming weather in next 2 weeks. So past week, if we see the weather features, synoptic weather features, there are two consecutive western disturbance which affected the northwest part of our country, and then there are the cyclonic circulation as well as trough in the easterlies which affected the peninsular India, and then in the beginning of the week there was some weather event over northeast and Sikkim, Saharan West Bengal region that caused the weather over that region. And presently there is a low pressure system which actually developed from the cyclonic circulation over this region. So this cyclonic circulation actually was there over Southwest Arabian Sea and adjoining Lakshadweep area. It moved gradually westward, and under that influence a low pressure system actually formed yesterday over this region, and then there is another cyclonic circulation over Southwest Bay of Bengal which is persisting also today, which these are the main weather synoptic features and which caused, and then due to those two consecutive western disturbance there were several induced cyclonic circulation if we see the 14th to 18th. So due to these weather features, if we see the what happened to the rainfall, so heavy rainfall, if we see these are the different dots at different dates are given here, and these are showing the heavy rainfall events over those subdivisions. So if we see that northwest India, the dots are on 17th, so realized on 17th, so it happened on 16th. So heavy rainfall caused due to the western disturbance, and then beginning of the week these yellow dots, if we can see the 12th, this is realized, so these are the beginning of the week. And then throughout the week we can see that peninsular India got several dots on several dates, and these are different heavy rainfall episodes during the week. And if we see the overall rainfall distribution station wise, here we can see that this is a cluster over here due to western disturbance it happened, and this is another clusters over south peninsular India and west coast. Here this is due to the system in easterlies, that cyclonic circulation and trough, and then in the beginning of the week this is the Sikkim and Saharan West Bengal and northeastern states got the rain. So due to this rain, what happened to the scenario of subdivision wise scenario weekly as well as a season, if we see that, then weekly scenario here we can say the northwest India, this is very much good rainfall. Here we can see that the actual rainfall is 20.8 millimeter compared to normal 5.9, so that's why it is plus 252%, so very good rainfall compared to climate normal. But other homogeneous region, if we see the east and northeast India, actual rainfall is very less, that's why it is minus 73%. Then south peninsular India as well as central India is very less rainfall, that's a minus 89%. Peninsular India, although there was rainfall episodes, but still it is minus 36% because the climate normal is high, 31.7 millimeter. And India as a whole, it is minus 26% for this week. And after this week, if we see the what is the scenario of the whole season, that we can see that east and northeast it is positive plus 39%, as well as northwest India also plus 84%. Otherwise central India, southern peninsular India minus 49%, and India as a whole minus 12%. So the this east and northeast, actually this rainfall is due to the past last week last to the that means for first season first week, that is the rainfall happened over east and northeast India. That is why this is 39%. Otherwise the whole India is a minus 12% for the season. Now during this beginning of the week, this is the withdrawal line of southwest monsoon. Here the up to this point the withdrawal of the southwest monsoon took place, and after this week we can see that the whole country is the withdrawal of southwest monsoon took place over entire country. So today southwest monsoon has withdrawn from the entire country. So this is the withdrawal scenario of the southwest monsoon. Now if we go for the synoptic systems today, here we can see that one western disturbance which was there, it is now at 78 degree, so it is going further eastward, and then there is one cyclonic circulation over northeastern states here, and then main weather event is the low pressure area over Southeast Arabian Sea and adjoining Southwest Arabian Sea actually today. And then there is one cyclonic circulation up to extending up to mid tropospheric level. This is over Comorin area, and then Bay of Bengal, another cyclonic circulation. This is persisting over southeast Bay of Bengal. So these are the main weather features of today, and this low pressure area actually going to intensify further. Within 24 hours it will become well marked low, and then it will further go west northwest toward further away from our Indian subcontinent, and it will intensify into a depression by 21st October. And then this cyclonic circulation also will be moving northwestward, and under its influence there will be a formation of low over this region, means west central and adjoining areas, and then that will also further move northwestward and intensify into a depression by 23rd October. So this is the weather situation and the forecast, and there is due to that what will be the weather situation and warning over the country. So there is no heavy rainfall or any other warning except the thunderstorm and lightning warning over peninsular India, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Karaikal and Kerala, Mahe, and then Nicobar, Andaman Nicobar Islands. So for day 1, so today, and then there are same thunderstorm and lightning warning over Kerala and Mahe and Andaman Nicobar. Then 21st actually there will be only thunderstorm lightning with gust, that is over isolated places over Kerala as well as Andaman Nicobar, and then 22nd and 23rd it will be only over Kerala and Mahe. So this is the warning situation for next 5 days. Now we will discuss about cyclogenesis forecast for the next 2 weeks. Here we can see the forecast of IMD's operational coupled extended forecast system is showing 2 different zone of cyclogenesis with high probability. Here one is over Southwest and West Central Arabian Sea, another over West Central Bay of Bengal and adjoining areas. Here we can see these 2 zones, and in the week 1 and week 2 if you see the zone is has very low probability of cyclogenesis over this West Central region, West Central Bay of Bengal region. So this is the situation about the model forecast. And if we consider the other environmental factors and other model forecast, then the whole scenario is like this. So there is a zone of high probability of cyclogenesis over Southwest and West Central Arabian Sea, and also another area where it is around West Central Bay of Bengal and surrounding area like this in the week 1. So these are the 2 zones in the week 1 where there is a situation, there will be a formation of depression, And in week 2 there is no zone of high probability zone of cyclogenesis, so there is no cyclogenesis in week 2. And if we see the rainfall forecast scenario over week 1, then here we can see that south peninsular India will be getting rainfall and heavy rainfall 24th and 25th October. This is the shading is showing, and then northwest India will not be having significant rainfall, but it will be impacted by a fresh WD, and that is coming to this Himalayan region on 21st to 23rd. It will be going over that region, and then certainly the adjoining areas of plains area also will be impacted on 21st and 22nd October. Then northeast India, there will be light to moderate isolated scattered rainfall, so only thunderstorm activity will be there. And eastern India also, there will not be so much of rain, light to moderate widespread rainfall, but that only the rainfall will be over Andaman Nicobar widespread rain. And the scenario about the northeast monsoon, here we have seen that there is a setting of easterlies and northeasterlies over southern peninsular India like this. So there is easterlies and northeasterlies over south peninsular India, and due to that there may be a commencement of northeast monsoon activity during next 72 hours. But there is system also over Bay of Bengal. Due to that, maybe this initial phase of the northeast monsoon will be weak. And if we see the week 2, then week 2 there will be very good situation for the northeast monsoon, and that will be generating very good widespread rainfall activity, and maybe isolated heavy rainfall also will be there over that peninsular region. And then there will be no very active western disturbance over the affecting over the northwest India. But overall, if we see, this is the above normal rainfall activity over the peninsular India, and near normal activity over central India, and then rest part will be country will be below normal rainfall activity. So this is the 2 weeks scenario. And to know details about other warnings and detail about the weather situation or different parts of the country and district wise, block wise forecast, you can visit our websites main and our regional centers websites, as well as you can access weather information from the different mobile apps, Monsoon, Damini, Meghdut, and then we are there in also social media, so you can follow us in that. Thank you very much listening to us.